Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this Starry background in CapCut PC. So first I'm just going to add the image and I'm just going to remove the background. Cut out, select chroma key and select the color picker. Select the color just for the string and the shadow. After done, make it as an overlay, put on top. Move up, just move up. And sorry, just don't move up. Go to basic and select canvas. Select style. Select style. And select the starry background. Just scroll down and just looking for here's can download the canvas and just to add to the track. Oh, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.